y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're returning, thanks for coming back to see me. If you are new here, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave. No, let's do it right now. I'll wait. Okay, you hit that subscribe button? Okay, just join the family already, okay? Today we are doing a what I got for Christmas luxury edition. So I'll have like a part 1 and I'll have a part 2. Today's drink, we are doing Baja Lime Margarita, and this one is from Trader Joe's. So we're, you know, I'm not washing no dishes, so we just gonna pour it up in this little red cup. So like I said, I will be doing a part 2, 1 and 2 of this what I got for Christmas, because I don't want the video to be dragging out, so I am going to separate the video into 2. So I want to get started with what I got myself for Christmas this year, 2020. We are now in 2021, but I know I'm a little late, but hey, better late than never. Okay, so let's start off with accessories. So the first accessory that I got was these pair of sunglasses, and these are Fendi. They come in this brown case, and then when I flip it over, it just has this beige inside. And I take the sunglasses out, and it of course has this Fendi what do we call these? These are like napkins, but what do we really call them? I don't even know. But I got these from Nordstrom, and the original price $390. These are the Fendi 51mm sunglasses. They don't have like a real name, but that's just what it is on the Nordstrom website. I will leave them linked down below, of course. And these are in a brown, like gradient, brown red gradient color. I did not pay retail for these. I actually paid $199.50, and I actually price matched these to Net-a-Porter. Nordstrom does, well, my Nordstrom does price match to Net-a-Porter, so I was able to do that because I think they were sold out at the time at Net-a-Porter, but I already had these like on my list. It's just crazy that they went on sale. So they just these glasses, and they have like the F logo cut out on the side. Kind of like zoom in. You can see that, so cute on this side as well. And then it has that tortoise color at the bottom, and if you can see, the F is literally all over the sunglass like this. So cute. My friends was in love with these, so of course I had to get them. I have to tell you guys, I accidentally threw these in the trash. Long story, maybe I'll tell y'all at a later time. So the next item I ended up getting is another item that I really wanted. So if you saw my Taco Tuesday vlog with me, I think that was my first vlog, you guys seen this this item. I told you guys when it go on sale I was gonna get it. So this I got from Nordstrom, and I also bought this myself. This is the Burberry scarf that was in my first vlog. When I tried it on, you guys remember I said it's when it go, I'ma get it. So this is just a Burberry wool scarf. It has Burberry written all down the scarf, and this is reversible, so it does have the black side as well, but I probably will most likely wear it on the brown side more times. It is so cute. It's so long, and it's just really pretty. This one retails for $350 here, and then I have my Nordstrom little sticker in case I want to return it, and I actually paid $210 $210 with taxes, $230. So I've saved a little money on that, so I'm happy about this scarf. When it get cold, I'm snatching that baby out the closet and wearing it. And this item I got is a perfume set by Burberry as well, and this was a gift from my boyfriend. This is a 3-piece gift set. It comes with the big bottle of Burberry Her. This is in the 3.3 fluid ounces, and it has the Burberry Her lotion, and you have your travel size, which I think comes in handy really nice because you're able to take it in your purse and stuff like that. This smells like you're just meant to be successful, okay? You're supposed, when you wake up, you about to have a good day, okay? I'm gonna spray just a little, and I love how long it lasts on my skin. That was a plus for sure. What are some fragrances that you are crazy about? What are some fragrances that you just cannot go without? Let me know down in the comment section, because this is my first time purchasing Burberry Her, but when I had the sample, it lasted a long time, and it really smells like really good, and it does last a very long time on my skin. I think that retails for $130 something. I'll leave it down in the description box if they still have Dior. If you Dior her, no, if you adore her, Dior her. I purchased this item from Bloomingdale's. So if you know, y'all know I'm all about a sale. Y'all know I be up on game when I say I follow like plenty of sales associates from Bloomingdale's, Nordstrom, Saks, all of that. So Nordstrom had their like pre-sale designer items go on. Clean item was a part of the pre-sale. So a couple of Dior items that went on sale. This one I actually was able to get for 50% off, not from Nordstrom, but I did price match to Nordstrom at Bloomingdale's. So it comes in this white box. This box kind of got messed up, and it comes with the Dior here. It comes with my receipt, and I'm going to show y'all how much I paid at the end. This item comes with 2 desk bags in this gray color that says Dior in white, and it comes with this Dior wrapping paper. Hopefully you guys can see it. It has Dior written all over it. So yeah, these are going to be so perfect for my vacation. These are the shoes. These are so freaking cute. These are the Dior Grandville sandals in the color 30B denim. This is how the box looks, just in case. And they do retail for $590. $590, you guys. So they have this denim color to them. They also have these in black and white. I just really felt I really wanted the denim ones because that denim look is so gorgeous, and it just has Christian Dior on the bottom, and it has the size. I got these in a 40. Oh, these doesn't have the size. I got these in a 40 and a half. This is what the total was, $295, and then they came up to $328 with tax. Make sure you follow me on Instagram because I will keep you in a loop. I will tell you guys. I'll always message my friends like, okay girl, a sale's about to happen, so go hop on. Is a shoe, another shoe. This box actually comes in like this textured marble material, kind of feel like. This shoe comes with white shoe bags and gold Dior on it. My Dior here, and then this one comes with extra shoelaces. So you can already know that these are tennis shoes. So these are the shoes. These are the Dior D-Connect sneaker, and I got these from Nordstrom as well. So these is how the shoes look. I'm in love with these, y'all. When I went with my friend and I tried them on at Saks, I already knew like I had to have them, and then like the following week I ended up getting them. These are the Dior D-Connect sneaker. These are in the color nude. It's like a pinkish nudist color. Y'all, I'm in love with these. They have Dior on the back. They are like, they're kind of heavy, a heavy shoe, but I feel like they were so cute and so versatile. They have Dior written on the shoelace here. Super cute. Do y'all see this shoe though? And then y'all know me, when I want to see something how it's worn and everything, I go to Instagram, I go to my hashtags Dior D-Connect, and y'all, the people that was wearing these, the girls that was wearing these was fly, okay? So I'm gonna show y'all the shoe again. It's so cute. It has Christian Dior Paris in the inside. Super cute. This next item I got was actually an item that I won from a giveaway. I was so happy when I ended up winning, because I never really win when I enter these giveaways, but I'm gonna show you guys this piece. So it came in this box. It was actually, you know, in a cardboard box mailed to me, but it had like a nice bow. I'll leave a clip on the screen somewhere. I'll leave a clip. And when I received this item, actually let me show you guys. When I'll leave a clip on like when I unboxed it and when I received it. This is actually, I entered a giveaway from a page by the name of Xoxo Shopper G, which he does giveaways, raffles, and a lot more. So make sure you're following her page. I will leave it linked down in the description box below. And I just love her page. I got the item when I received it. I'm about to read my letter. Well, I'm not gonna read it because it's kind of like for me, but it just says like, hey Jonisha, thank you so much for following and enter our giveaway. Just tag her in my giveaway item that I won, and I was so excited because I love when people write me letters. So this is her Instagram. Right here it is Xoxo Shopper G. So I will leave all the information down below, like I said, and it came with this little, her business card. You can tell, y'all, bear with me because I do not know how to pronounce this brand. Jacquemus. I don't even know how to pronounce it, but hey, I'm in love with it, okay? I see the brand all the time. So this is how it came. It comes in this nice linen dust bag, and then this is the bag, y'all. Look how tiny and cute it is. I know you guys have seen this bag plenty of times on the gram. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's in this like linen cream color, and it has these loops on the side because it also does come with a strap. This is how the strap looks, and it does have gold hardware. Y'all know how I feel about gold, y'all. It is the cutest little bag. Like, the next item that I show you guys, y'all gonna be like, that's gonna be perfect, because my homegirl told me to even wear it. So of course it would be like, I will be able to wear it on my, as a shoulder bag. But y'all, I'm just so in love with this little bag. It is so cute, and it has this little flap, of course, and then it's small in the inside. It comes with the original tag and everything like that. It's so cute. Of course, I'm not gonna be filling this thing up because I can't, but I'll probably have like a card holder, if that can even fit, some cash, and some lip gloss, of course. This is not an everyday bag. This is going to be my vacation bag, and you know, for the looks that I'm about to be serving. I ended up getting. If y'all saw my vlog, my shop with me on when I went to South Coast Plaza, y'all know I went to St. Laurent and got me a piece. You guys was in the comments saying you can't wait to see what I got. So I went to St. Laurent, and y'all might know what it is. So it comes, of course, in the black box. It has my receipt here. Yes, my receipt. And tissue paper. And my item comes in two dust bags, so y'all can already tell what it is. Y'all remember when I said I wanted these? Y'all should know what they are, but remember when I said I wanted these? And I said when I go on sale I'm gonna get them. Boom, they are here. They are here. Y'all know how I felt about these. Y'all remember in the clip, I'll leave the clip in the screen again. Y'all remember I fell in love the first time that I tried these on. So when they went on sale, they are the Saint Laurent Bianca platform heel, and they are in this linen material as well, and they have the knot here in the front, and they just have the little ankle. That is going to be a perfect combo. Okay, bomb, right? Bomb. Black bottom, and I got these in a size 40. So they just say Saint Laurent Paris on them. Same thing on retail for $895, and I snagged them for $439. Yes, it is on the pricier side for a pair of heels, I know, but like they're so comfortable, and I know I'm gonna get like some wears out of it. That concludes this video, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed. Make sure you comment down below letting me know what was your favorite piece. If you are not following me on my Instagram, make sure you follow me on my Instagram, follow me on Twitter, and follow me on my business Instagram if you are not following me over there. And make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Like I said, like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye. Oh yeah, and make sure you tune in for part 2. Okay, bye.